ABC Educational Channel. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences for kids. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like grapes. I like grapes. I am sad. I am sad. I love my sister. I love my sister. I have a gift. I have a gift. I like cake. I like cake. I can sing. I can sing. I go to the market. I go to the market. I play outside. I play outside. I see a flower. I see a flower. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I have a dog. I have a dog. I can jump high. I can jump high. I love my mom. I love my mom. I have a bag. I have a bag. I read comics. I read comics. I see the sun. I see the sun. I have a cap. I have a cap. I drink juice. I drink juice. I like to paint. I like to paint. I watch TV. I watch TV. I love my dog. I
love my dog.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I like to read.
I like to read.
I can write.
I can write.
I read stories.
I read stories.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I see the stars.
I see the stars.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I have a crayons.
I have a crayons.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I have a book.
I have a book.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I play volleyball.
I play volleyball.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
I see a balloons.
I see a balloons.
I play games.
I play games.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
I eat breakfast.
I I eat breakfast.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
I love my pet.
I love my pet.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I see a car.
I see a car.
I have a backpack.
I have a backpack.
Thanks for listening.